everyone, welcome back to my channel. So if you guys are here for the first time, then hi. My name is Shreya and I make videos on fashion, makeup, haul, reviews and many more things. So guys, आज की वीडियो में I'm going to show a very glamorous and very beautiful Valentine's Day makeup look, which will be a full ultra glam look. So yeah, let's begin today's video. But don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Let's begin now.
So guys, Amazon is hosting Valentine's Day sale. In this sale you will get huge offers and discounts, amazing gift ideas for your Valentine at huge discounts, and always good delivery. As always, Amazon gives super fast delivery and their customer support is also really nice. Also you can purchase makeup, also self-care products for yourself or gifting options, clothes and many more things. If you want to create any look or in makeup or in clothing, even you can buy that during this sale. So do check out the sale and shop a lot, as the sale is going to be a huge one.
So guys, I hope you all like this video and अगर आपको ये लुक अच्छा लगा हो एंड अगर आप इसको रिक्रिएट करना चाहते हो तो डू लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट सेक्शन बिलो एंड लेट मी नो ये लुक आपको कैसा लगा. मुझे तो बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद आया बिकॉज दिस टर्न्ड आउट टू बी सो गुड. प्लस बहुत ही कम प्रोडक्ट्स लगे हैं मुझे इस पूरे मेकअप लुक को क्रिएट करने में. सो या सारे के सारे प्रोडक्ट लिंक्स जो भी होंगे सब डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मेंशन्ड है एंड आई होप आपको लुक पसंद आया होगा. So yeah, that is it for today's video. I will meet you in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care and stay safe.